Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss few questions of page number 187 of your book, right? So the very first is, why are we normally advised to take bland and nourishing food when we are sick? So what is the question कि हमें क्यों एडवाइस किया जाता है जब हम बीमार होते हैं कि नरिश्ड फूड लेना चाहिए, राइट? मिक्स फूड लेना चाहिए, बैलेंस फूड लेना चाहिए. वाई? We are advised to take bland and nourishing food when we are sick because our body needs energy to release cells to overcome the infection. Right? हमारी बॉडी को क्या चाहिए होता है? एनर्जी चाहिए होता है. राइट? सो जो भी हमारा जिस भी इन्फेक्शन से हम सफ़र हो रहे हैं उसको कम कर सके. राइट? एंड टू फॉर द वियर एंड टीयर ऑफ बॉडी ऑर्गन. जब भी हम कोई भी डिजीज़ से सफ़र करते हैं तो क्या होता है, हमारी बॉडी ऑर्गन में क्या होता है, वियर एंड टीयर होता है. राइट? उसके ऊपर इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता है. तो उसको क्या कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए फिर से उसके लिए हमें नरिश फूड चाहिए होता है. राइट? So the nourishing food provides nutrients to our body that will further provide energy and make new cells, right? So that's why we should take nourished food, right, when we are sick. The second question is, what are the different means by which infectious diseases are spread? So what are, in first of all we should know what are infectious disease. So as I already told you, infectious disease are those disease which spread, right, from one person to another person through different means. So what are the different means are? So the very first is through air. It is also called airborne diseases, right? So those disease which cause from the air, right? So the air carries what? It carries bacteria, virus and the diseases that can be causes of common cold, influenza, tuberculosis, etc. Right? So airborne diseases से हमें क्या हो सकता है? कॉमन कोल्ड हो सकते हैं, इन्फ्लुएंजा हो सकता है और ट्यूबरक्लोसिस. एंड इन राइट सिनेरियो सबसे बड़ा जो अभी चल रहा है पैंडमिक, कोरोना. राइट? कोरोना वायरस, इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ एयरबोर्न डिजीज वी कैन से, है ना, और वी कैन से इट थ्रू द टच, है ना. So through food and water. The next we have through food and water. When we eat or drinks contaminated food, right, or water that contains bacteria, virus, worm, etc., है ना, it can cause what? It can cause diseases like cholera or typhoid or etc. Right? So जब भी हम कभी ऐसा देखा गया है कि हम कभी बाहर खा लेते हैं खाना, तो हम कहते हैं, हम क्या कंप्लेन करते हैं, फूड पॉइजनिंग हो गई है. सो वो क्यों होता है? इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज देयर मे बी सम बैक्टीरिया, वायरस और वॉर्म इन द फूड, है ना. सो द नेक्स्ट वी हैव थ्रू कॉन्टेक्ट्स. सो through contacts, many diseases spread by contact of infected person with the healthy person, right? So the very big example we have, as we are suffering right now from the great pandemic, that is coronavirus, right? अभी उसके कारण क्या वो पूरा वर्ल्ड जो है उससे इफ़ेक्ट हो रखा है ना. सो दैट, तो वो किससे फैलता है? थ्रू कॉन्टेक्ट्स ओनली, राइट? So, for example, we have fungal infections, skin diseases also, right? So, the next we have by sexual contact. Many diseases can be transmitted through sexual contacts also. So, for example, we have syphilis and AIDS. है ना? Then next we have by body fluids. है ना? If an infected person and it fluids like blood, semen or mother's milk, right, when it passes to the healthy person, it may cause disease, right? Same disease. So for example, we have create a big, it is AIDS, right? So this is how the AIDS can spread. The next we have vectors. Vectors are what? The organism that spreads a disease by carrying pathogens from one place to another is called vectors. So vectors are what? Carriers, है ना, जो microbes को carry करता है one person to another person, right? For example, we have mosquitoes, right? It carry what? It carry pathogens, and its name is protozoa, right? It cause मलेरिया और डेंगू भी से, है ना, मॉस्किटो के बाइट करने से. So this is for all today, right? So what we have discussed today, so why we should take balanced food, and the next, what are the different means through which infectious disease can spread, right? So that's all for today class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you so much.